What's up, guys? So I wanted to make a really quick video this morning. Um, so this morning we traded MIST. As you can see, it was very quick. I kind of jumped in right here, approaching go time, and then I got out right there. So I got in at 782, 4,000 shares. I sold at 813. Um, That was when I bought. This is where I sold. And as you can see, look at this. 9:30:01 and then 9:30:06. So in 6 seconds, actually under 6 seconds, I got in and out in 6 seconds and made 1240. Okay. So let me just pull this up really quick. As you can see, this is the platform. This is, this is the my trading platform. So as you can see, we kind of jumped in right here at this level, jumped out right there really quick, and made a quick profit. It's as simple as it gets. If you guys, let me show you guys the chat room really quick. So this was, see if I can make this a little bit bigger. This was basically Mike. Mike ended up jumping in right there. He got in a little bit above go time, and he ended up selling right there. Made himself a nice little profit too. So we both basically did pretty okay today. Hit our daily goal in like 6 seconds. In 6 seconds, we hit our daily goal, both of us. So again, if you want to learn the strategy, it's not very difficult. As you can see, typically every morning I'm here. You can see this is at 9:22 a.m. I'm letting everyone know it's almost go time. Mike is here with me. So he types in MIST, which is the exact same stock. As you can see, once you understand what to look for, is we're all pretty much looking at the same stock. Once you know the buying criteria, you basically know what stock we're looking at. Mike already knew what stock we're looking at. So at 9:29, I'm letting everyone know, here we go. And then by 9:30, I'm letting everyone know I hit my daily goal already. Mike also typed me too. So he sent a screenshot. I sent a screenshot of my trade, which is right here. This was my trade on MIST. Boom. And this was his screenshot. He sent his screenshot. He got in a little bit above go time. I got in a little bit sooner. I just knew this thing was strong, and it ripped right through the moon. So, and I sold early. Look at this. I sold early. As you can see, it ended up going all the way up to 918 on this candle. Ended up going all the way up to 915. So, this was a pretty nice move. Anyways, yeah, pretty good move today. So, again, if you guys want to learn this strategy, it's not very difficult. It's very simple. Let's work together. You know what I mean? And I'll chat with you guys another day.